RAMPF Production Systems
RAMPF Production Systems is one of the leading manufacturers of ready-to-use solutions for sealing, casting, and bonding. Our know-how in the processing of polymer materials, coupled with our encompassing automation expertise, enables us to provide customers with holistic solutions. The RAMPF DC CNC 800 is the most compact CNC-controlled 3-axis dispensing system of our portfolio. It is used for machining various 1 or 2 component polymers. In addition, a wide range of automation solutions can be integrated. In summary, we have the following requirements: at least 3 CNC-controlled axes, flexibility for integrating different automation solutions, real-time signal exchange between CNC and PLC for dynamic dispensing. SINUMERIK MC by Siemens is the ideal control for our dispensing systems, as it combines an NC Core PLC and a Windows operating system in one platform. This enables us to carry out diverse automation tasks in one control system. SINUMERIK MC offers optimal motion control, high automation performance, and maximum openness of HMI creation due to the integrated Windows operating system. Here, the openness of HMI creation is of paramount importance to us. Thanks to the consistent engineering process in the TIA portal, we can map the entire automation environment, from planning and engineering to operation. This allows for quicker and more cost-efficient commissioning and reduces the delivery time of our machines. Working together with Siemens has been very pleasant, as the company has a very strong customer focus.
Sehr angenehm gestaltet.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.